Yeah, this is peer pressure, and they don't like us if they don't come.
Though.
Woo, that was wild. I can't say I've ever seen that before.
Powdered sugar in the snow, candy cane and mistletoe. Can I please get an espresso?
Happy Vlogmas day 16. I started off my morning waking up at 5 a.m. It was so early, but definitely worth it because the day that I had was top tier. As you guys know, I'm half Vietnamese, and growing up, I would see my grandmother doing all of these morning stretches and Tai Chi whenever I would go visit her in California. And being in Vietnam, I've talked about this in the past couple Vlogmas videos, but I've never felt more connected to her than being here. And so I really wanted to be a part of that and practice it. So I did Tai Chi this morning with some of the locals. After a nice morning exercise of doing Tai Chi and being connected, having that nice start to the morning, I did a walk through the park and saw that the trees were labeled, which I later found out was done by the French. Then while I was on my way to get a morning bowl of beef pho, on the side of the road was a woman who was selling crickets. It was really interesting because I had no idea that a bunch of men would take their birds inside of their cages, go to a local coffee shop and whatnot. They would hang the bird cages along with everybody else's and kind of chirp all morning while the men drank coffee, but they would stop and buy worms and crickets from this lady that they would then use to feed them. Now for a nice bowl of morning pho. I'm Vietnamese and I can't believe I had no idea that pho was a morning dish as well, and it's actually very common that people eat it for breakfast, but in the United States a lot of the Asian restaurants that I would go to never opened until maybe after 3 p.m. or noon, but never in the morning. So you learn something every day traveling the world. After breakfast I went to the Jade Emperor Pagoda, which is a Buddhist temple in the city of Ho Chi Minh. We took off our shoes right out front and they didn't allow us to film, but there were these huge catfish right out front in the water. And to end the morning adventures off, I walked the streets looking through the market, and this wasn't a clothing or materialistic item type of market. This was all fresh food, as fresh as it gets, we'll just say that.
You know when you just do not feel like getting ready, but you know you should and you know you have to? That's me right now, guys. Tomorrow's the last day in Vietnam and my friends want me to go out. Maybe I am succumbing to peer pressure. I don't know. My whole body is so exhausted and I don't think, well, I know that I don't show it, and I don't want to complain either because that's actually gross, and I don't know, I just don't really like complaining on the internet. But Vlogmas while doing semester at sea may have been the best and worst thing that I've ever done. Best thing for my channel in the sense of I don't think anybody has ever filmed all 31 days of December while being on this voyage, and I can't wait to look back on this and show my kids, obviously. I also love that you guys are getting a different type of Christmas December content than probably what you're seeing from other YouTubers because nobody else is on semester at sea. I'm really happy to be doing it, but wow, it's really hard, and especially now that I'm in port, I'm trying to be 100% fully present throughout my day, especially doing a lot of solo traveling this trip. I'm not trying to like whip out the camera in the middle of a market and then have it snatched by somebody, and then when I'm with my friends I don't want to put it in their face the whole time, especially because, you know, we're here to enjoy our time in Ho Chi Minh. Then the videos are short and I'm just overwhelmed editing because it's not a long video. Sorry for ranting, I'm just a little stressed. I hope that you guys are enjoying Vlogmas because I just want to make sure that I'm doing enough and being enough. I don't feel like wearing any face makeup, so I'm not going to put on any foundation, concealer, powder, any of that. I just mainly wanted to fill in my brows and then maybe curl my lashes or put some mascara on. The plans that I have 100% set are meeting my friend Amanda for dinner. I think it's just her and I that are going to do a dinner together because on day 1 in Vietnam, her family came and so we had dinner with them and she's been with them the whole time. But I think they just took a flight to Hanoi, so they're gone now and she has free time. So she and I are going to grab dinner together. And then my roommate Kate, her mom has also been in Vietnam with her, so she's been gone and her mom's leaving tonight, and so Kate wanted to do a full night out, possibly rooftop bar, who knows, but I just don't know if I have it in me today. Anybody that knows me knows that I am just not a night person. I'm very much more of a morning girl. I'm not mad about it. And I'm really glad that I am more of a morning person, because when you wake up early, not only do you get to see the sunrise, but you also get to see the sunset. If you're a night person, the chances of you seeing the sunrise are less, and that's also just as pretty as the sunset. One eye is curled. Let's do the other one. Today when I was in the markets, I saw something for the first time that I've never seen, and it was a bunch of frogs, warning really quick, with their heads cut off, but they were still jumping, squirming, and all covered in blood in the middle of like bowls and pots for sale. Woo, that was wild. I can't say I've ever seen that before. I don't really want to see it again, but it is very interesting to see how real and fresh food is, especially in the markets. Like, that's as real as it gets. There is no processed anything. They are literally selling you food right off the street. And I respect it. I respect it because my grandmother would always tell us stories about how she would make chicken pho, but obviously she had to get the chicken from the market and then like take care of it at home. So I respect it that they don't waste any part of the animal. It's really crazy seeing how much living in America, they censor a lot of that and they take care of it and then it's just ready to eat in front of you. I thought that was crazy. I think Berlin or Lido, the restaurant on the ship, is open for dinner right now. I just want like a quick bite, so I might go up there and get either a plate of food because Amanda is getting her hair done right now and she's not gonna be done for another hour and a half. So I'm gonna grab a little bit of something to eat and I'm probably gonna journal up there because I haven't journaled today. And then I'm gonna come back down, do some editing so that Vlogmas is uploaded for you guys on time, and then let's roll out of here.
Out of my head, try to stray.
I'm so excited. Teeter Tot's calling me right now. Hello. Yeah, can I see my child? Okay, how cute. Cake is so good. I'm meeting my friend Amanda at the Saigon Center Mall, so I just booked a Grab right now, but currently this is the fit that we're working with.
Hold on 1 second.
Mama's got her in hammer.
Just give me a few seconds.
Okay.
Okay.
She's ready.
I'm ready to order.
Okay, this is my second time being back here. That's how good it was. But I'm getting a Vietnamese iced coffee. Also, it's so interesting seeing the desserts here compared to the States.
Perfect.
We just finished up at the restaurant, waiting for us to leave. My coffee was good, but I definitely wish that there was more condensed milk in it because it was a little bland. But that's okay. We're going back to the ship, taking a Grab, and
oh my gosh,
we might go out tonight. Brennan, if you're watching this, answer.
Answer the phone. You should know. You should know by now.
I don't think I can rally tonight, guys. I'm like a once in a blue moon rally. Okay, well, he's not answering. That's his loss. Hi, guys!
Let's rally.
No, guys.
We're not getting out of this.
This is not rally material, okay?
Yeah.
This is for friendship.
Wow.
You're really gonna, your first day in Thailand, you're gone.
Okay.
No, this is it. This is the final stand. We will never be in a country together again.
This is peer pressure.
This is peer pressure, and they don't like us if they don't come. Though.
Guys, I'm tired.
Have you been like the cool street here though? It's like very youthful. It's like all these lights and stuff. You haven't. That's what you need to go. A headache. I expect this out of Caroline, but out of you, Amanda.
You.
Okay, Amanda, you're in, right? Amanda's guaranteed in.
Go back on the ship.
For what? Can't even come up with the excuse. Faster excuse. There's nothing like that.
Okay, just send me the address, okay?
Oh, that's the biggest bunch of bullshit. Oh my god. The lack of friendship.
I love you guys, okay? Mwah, 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 kisses.